Today's trick is the Canadian nose pick. I think it's one of the best tricks you can do with the front brake. It's fun with the foot also if you just do it foot jam style. But for me, I always do it with the front brake now. I like to over-rotate them. I think that's the most entertaining part of a Canadian. The hardest part is also not over-rotating too far, because whenever you land on the corner, you don't have a lot of friction and you rotate it into the Canadian. So it wants to make you go 270. One of my tips is just to carve into the Canadian, just a touch. That way whenever you land on the corner, that carving kind of stops your momentum just a little bit, just to slow you down. If you go straight up and down, or if you try to alley-oop into it, you're gonna rotate like crazy. It's kind of a finesse trick. You kind of have to go slow into it. You want to be confident, so you want to set your front end there, but lean over the front of the bars, because your back end is swinging around. The steeper you get, it seems like the less it rotates. If you're not very steep, it rotates a bunch, but you have zero chance to get in. So this trick's super fun with back pedalers. Back pedalers are one of my favorite. You're gonna see those a lot. It's fun with no footers. That one's pretty hard because you gotta stop rotating and try to get to your seat. If your seat's low like mine is, that's pretty challenging. This trick is fun to do with the front brake. You can do it with the foot. If you do foot jam style, be careful getting on the deck. You can scuff backwards. I think any of us that have done a foot jam Canadian know that it's horrible whenever you scuff backwards. Sometimes you can get over the bars, but a lot of times you trip on the handlebars and go face first. I will not be doing that. I run a front brake so I can double my tricks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next week for How To Tuesdays. Also on Fridays, I do 5 trick Fridays. This week I might set up the jump like a hip. That seems pretty fun, but we'll see how the weather plays out. It's been raining today, so I had to bring the ramp inside. Also, my camper shell hangs down from the ceiling, kind of low. So that's why you kind of see me struggling so much to get speed in here. I couldn't air the ramp to turn around very well. So I made it happen. We came inside.